Alright, so right now we are at the Boeing 787 Dreamliner at Boston Logan International Airport. We're here in the Delta hangar. And here's the Boeing 787. Let's take a little walk around. There's the whole plane in the hangar. There's a line to get on the plane. Is the Rolls-Royce engine. How big it is. It's a huge engine. Here's the landing gear. There's the back of the plane. Look at this. Standing right here underneath it. Here we go. Going on to the 787 Dreamliner at Logan Airport. Here it is. Look at the wing. Wow. Whoa.
Configuration's going to be 86. Yeah, we have this area set up with 12 seats.
Whoa, look at the leg room here.
So, is it regular? Yeah, this might be regular. These might be first class.
Whoa.
Imagine traveling like this.
Oh, this is nice.
And now we've configured it to give you demonstration seats. They don't work.
I'm going to go to the, see if I can get to the cockpit.
This is fantastic. I believe they're
flew in this morning. Wow, how was it? There's the cockpit of the 787. We can't go in. It's roped off, but there it is.
Yeah, it was.
Really nice. It's awesome. Zoom in. There it is.
Right.
Awesome cockpit.
So that's all losing that time.
That is awesome. Look at that cockpit. Alright, so we're in the cabin of the 787 Dreamliner. Here is the wing view right now. Is the engine. Nice wing view. Here are the TVs right here. And here's the rest of the cabin. There are the cool LED lights at the top of the cabin.
Look at this phone, Sam.
This is really cool. Dreamliner. That is really cool. A really cool plane. Here's the wing view. Look at this wing view. Amazing. And here is the dimmable windows right here. You can push these and the window dims because there's no more shades. So the window's dimming, as you can see. There it goes, dimming slowly. So you don't need window shades anymore. So let's put it back up. And there, and here's the wing view again. And TV.
Tell the airline very minor adjustments.